Masak apa? Masak my style. Oh wow, alamak. Apa khabar? How? Everything is good? Semua baik? Macam biasa? Like normal? Okay, so hari ni nak masak simple sekali. Today I'm gonna cook something simple. There is a day pada satu hari tu awak rasa macam malas. You know, you feel like lazy to cook all these dishes and everything. Kan ada satu hari. In one of those days that you feel a bit lazy and you do not want to do this, want to do that, but you just want to cook something simple because you want to eat at home, right? So hari ni kita akan masak mihun soup udang, okay? Vermicelli soup or mihun soup prawn, okay? So it's very simple, very easy. The easiest way to make this is less than 45 minutes, kurang daripada 45 minit, okay? So come along with me and I show you how to make mihun soup udang or mihun soup prawn. Nampak tak baju? Baju Alexandra McQueen 400 lebih punya t-shirt. Boleh dulu aku beli. Last time I bought $400 over Alexandra McQueen. Dulu. Resepi dia ringkas, very easy, okay? Half a kilo of huge prawns, udang ni besar, setengah kilo. Makan kat rumah boleh lah, besar. For home cook, you can buy a big one. It's very simple and very easy, alright? And then some fish ball, sedikit fish ball. You don't have fish ball, can use fish cake lah. Kalau awak tak ada berbola ikan, boleh pakai cake, fish cake ikan. Little bit of greens. This is pak choy ataupun apa nama benda ni, siopek chai ke apa tak tahu benda, tapi warna hijau ni. Okay, one packet. Ini direbus dulu, boil first. Okay, boil and put aside, taruh ke tepi. Bawang putih, chop garlic, bawang putih yang telah dicincang. Awak boleh beli ni dekat NTUC, okay, halal lagi. And then bawang goreng, fried shallots and Chinese parsley. Saya menggunakan daun sup saja, sedikit lada sula ataupun pepper, okay, and of course half a packet of bihun lah. Depends on how many people you want to eat lah, berapa orang awak nak bikin. Saya gunakan setengah packet ni untuk 4 orang. This is for 4 packs, okay. It's very easy, it's very simple and it's very senang. It takes you less than half an hour to do this. Mengambil masa kurang daripada setengah jam, 45 minit to settle. Panaskan minyak, heat the oil, put the garlic. Masukkan bawang putih cincang ni. This one everything all cook very fast. Ini semua masak dengan cepat ni. So immediately put in the prawn, masukkan udang, serta-merta. And then a little bit of salt as usual, seperti biasa. Bila udang dia dah merah, we put in the water straight away. Once the prawn change its color to orange or red, straight away we put in the water. Kita masukkan air. Oh, this one very fast game, masak dengan senang ni, okay. This one cook very easy. Especially you want to eat at home, you lazy to go out makan, yang malas-malas nak keluar kan I'm telling you, this is very simple and nice. Because prawns contains a bit of sweetness. Udang ni ada manisan dia sendiri. Okay, see the prawn all change the color already, dah tukar berubah warna. Kita masukkan air. Saya masukkan air yang telah masak, yang mendidih. I put in boiling water, 1.5 liter, 1.5 liter. Masukkan stok ikan bilis anchovy stock. Masukkan pepper. Okay, here you can add a little bit more of salt. Awak boleh tambah garam sikit ikut cita rasa awak. Now here you can pick up the prawns first. Awak angkat udang ni dulu sebelum dia kecut, before the prawn shrink. Okay. See, the prawn will quickly shrink, so we don't overcook the prawns. Jangan masak terlalu larat untuk udang ni. Once it comes to boil, put in the fish balls. Taruhkan berbola ikan ni. After few minutes, can switch off already. Dah boleh matikan. Tengok boleh bikin sampai 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 untuk saya. Saya lupa tadi 4 packet. 4 pack and plus for myself. Okay. Daun sup, Chinese parsley, and also fried shallots dan juga bawang goreng. Memang fabulous. Alright, tu dia mihun sup udang or prawn vermicelli soup or mihun prawn soup. Okay. Tu dia, ambil kau kasihkan Selamat kembali kepada sesi cekik menyekik makan eating session time. Alamak, tu dia mihun sup udang. This is mihun soup prawn or vermicelli soup with prawns macam-macam lah nama nak cakap ni Do you want to interpret between the Malay to the English? I haven't interpret between the Malay and the Indian yet within the Tamil Kalau interpret in Chinese Mifen apa aku dah lupa lah nak cakap. Cannot remember lah, those were the time when you can speak multiple language. Alamak. Okay, dan macam ambassador. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inilah paling senang menu yang paling easy. Hari ni saya tak makan dengan chili. I don't eat with chili because I got sore throat. Saya batuk-batuk tiap malam, batuk macam nak gila Kalau batuk ni you cough when you start coughing very difficult to recover tau. Susah nak baik. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Masak. Make. Okay. Memang fabulous. Absolutely amazing. Memang power. Dah tak payah cili padi sampingan soya sauce. No need. The taste is to a perfection. Rasa dia dah perfect lah. Another thing, lagi satu, saya tak suka potong mihun saya tau. I don't like to cut my mihun. I prefer my mihun to be long. Saya suka mihun saya ataupun mi saya panjang. Sekejap. Kalau dah potong pendek-pendek, macam mana nak capai Kan? Ada orang suka potong pendek. Lepas tu kat betul semua. How to even eat this one. Awak boleh tambah bawang goreng, fried shallot, and Chinese parsley, daun sup. Memang sedap. Memang power. Itu kalau masak rumah, when you cook at home, you can buy the biggest prawn. Mahal pun tak apa. Fresh. Okay. A bit expensive is okay. Memang tengok besar udang, sedap, fresh tau apa itu jual. Tadi juga pergi pasar. You want fresh thing, you must buy today. Cook today. I know lah some of you working, saya tahu ada yang kerja need to buy everything all in advance, put in the fridge and everything, okay? Dia rasa macam garing tau. It's so fresh. It's like crispy, you know. So because the prawn, you don't overcook. Awak jangan masak terlalu over udang ni. Kalau dia terlalu lama masak, dia lembek, dia kecut. And you cannot hear the crispiness of the prawn when you bite. Like that to understand to know that the prawn is fresh. Faham? Honestly, I tell you, saya cakap dengan awak, saya tak bohong. Saya adalah first yang bikin masak-masak, makan on the video screen. Lepas tu baru semua ikut. Kau tak apa, kalau makan tu elok, tak apa ni. Nyampak pun. Cannot stand, no. Kita makan ni ada teknik kan, macam you know when you eat naturally kan. Nampak? Itu. The boys Instagram, sorry you all makan tak ada macam saya lah selera makan. I'm sorry to say, because I'm the first one. Saya first kali bikin. Berapa belas tahun dah kat dalam YouTube sebelum korang baru nak masuk, nak belajar main ni semua kan. Nak jadi keyboard warrior. Kita dulu dah keyboard warrior. I think 15 years ago. I'm the first one in the YouTube to do this makan-makan. Cook and then makan. They all were saying, dah masak makan Of course lah, dah you dah masak, you tak makan, then how? Tak? Siapa nak tahu apa benda masak sedap? For all you know, you dah masak, you tak makan, you tahu ada benda ni ada racun, got poison, you don't eat. Every chef yang tahap level tinggi, high class chef, even they, walaupun mereka masak, cook, they still need to taste. Dia akan juga ambil gini, okey wala. Ada masak-masak tak rasa tu masak rumah. Mak boleh lah. Mama kita dulu masak pun, last time our mother, our sister all cook they cook. They never explain to us, what's the taste, what's the back taste of all the ingredients and everything, how the prawn have any sweetness of the prawns, the leaves, the soup, apa rasa dia ke apa, tak ada. They don't say anything. They just buat bodoh. Okay. Then kita yang nak kena figure out We the one who need to figure out. Oh sedap masih sedap lagi ni. Nah gitulah. Now you all lucky. Kan? Korang untung. Bila kita masak, kita makan, kita dah explain dengan awak. This thing is very nice. That's the last fish ball and this is the grand finale. Syuk. Tak payah sos-sos, tak payah cili padi. The taste is perfect. The soup base, you can taste a bit of sweetness of prawn, bawang goreng. This fried shallot I bought in Hat Yai. The daun soup, Chinese parsley. I think it goes better without the spring onions. Dia lagi sedap tanpa daun bawang. Who's watching me at 1 o'clock in the morning? Siapa yang tengok saya makan pukul 1 pagi? Good luck to you. You can go in the kitchen and bongkar periuk. Alhamdulillah. Thank God for all this, okay? So I see you again on Masak Masak My Style. #mom. Bye.